We got the severe thunderstorm line coming through. We were tracking it all day so far. It is currently 11:56 p.m. Watertown, South Dakota. I got a peak of 68 mile per hour winds before I decided to come out, and that was out by around between Henry and here. There's a little curved road. I know where it's at. It's not too far from Watertown. That I was seeing it right over. I decided to go out, and me and my sister watched it for a little bit, and now I'm going back out after dropping her off. Got some insane cloud structure going on. It's looking pretty good. Not like too severe. It doesn't look too like bad. It's a lot of wind. It's like heavy wind gusts. I'm getting like, it feels like 40-50 mile per hour winds. So it definitely deserves a special weather statement, but it might go back up to severe because I was getting quite consistent with 60 mile per hour winds. I don't know what it's looking like on radar right now because I'm driving and don't have the computer in the truck yet because, I gotta get one. Try to angle my phone a little bit better for you guys. Alright, we're coming up on the area where we'll be watching for a bit. Sorry about the camera. I'm still trying to get used to the tripod that Shane gave me. It looks like some random tweeter is here. I don't know if I want to watch weather right here with that little guy. You can see him right there, just chilling in that corner. Oh, there's another vehicle. I don't know if they just pulled up. We'll go down this way. That's the golden spot right there. Yeah, I'm getting blasted by sand right now. I can hear it on the... Yep, look at that. Right in front of us. Wow. Yeah. And there's a little dust pile right next to me, too. Alright, and this is probably the best angle I could probably get it for you guys. I was getting around that area down there. I was getting consistent 100 mile per hour winds. Don't know what that was about. It must have been a radar glitch, but I was getting those over there. And if we look over this way, that's where I was getting 68 mile per hour winds over there. And probably check the radar here pretty soon. Yeah, let's check that real quick so we can see what we got going on over here. Right, and we are back. We're heading outside of the truck now. Yeah, so the winds are pretty strong right now. We got, feels like 30 mile per hour winds. Not that bad of a storm. Got some pretty unique cloud structures going on. Back over that way, you can probably see the shovel. Oh yeah, you feel that? Oh yeah, that's right there. Wow. Shit. No, it's taking me off my feet. That's got to be the 60 mile per hour winds right there. Oh yeah, Jesus. Woohoo! Yo, it's just taking me out, man. It's actually pushing me. Oh, that's insane gusts of wind right there. Yeah, I gotta hold my phone with two hands right now because of how strong the wind is. But yeah, this is still a pretty decently strong storm coming into Watertown, 8 hours after. Yeah, wow. 8 hours after it formed. Look down there, bro. Whoa, yo, this is giving me shivers, bro. Holy shit. Yo. Sorry for my swearing, guys, but this is a lot of wind. Wow. Alright, there we go. I just upped the quality for you guys. Getting a lot of wind out here. Starting to get hit by some rain. But yeah, you can see the wind just like in the grass too. Wow, that was sick, man. That was a really strong gust of wind. We just got issued in another mesoscale discussion for mainly just high-ish winds, and I kind of went on a little drive towards the lake over that way by those lights, and I can really feel that wind. And when they issued that mesoscale discussion, I just saw it. I didn't realize it was there earlier, so it must have been pretty recent. But it's just starting to kind of rain here. You can kind of see like the clouds kind of cool. The clouds are kind of coming. The rain's gonna start coming in. Probably won't stay out for that, but so far I've gotten some pretty decent footage, especially over in that area. I just wish I probably could have gone somewhere to have better footage, you know. It's definitely a lot of stuff that happened yesterday because it's past, I think it's 12:20 now, so I guess today, technically, I don't want to be that guy, so I'm going to go back home and edit this video for Gavin to upload to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Pretty unique type of video, not really like a chasing style video or anything, just kind of made on my own time. Everybody's asleep even, so Gavin doesn't even know I'm making this video right now, but I hope you all enjoyed. I really hope you guys subscribe, because we got more content coming like this, and make sure to Venmo, because I would love to be able to keep doing this, because my truck actually broke down today. Luckily I was able to fix it in time, which was a huge save. It was like really cheap, but well, actually, it wasn't even cheap. It was free, so I was able to fix it right where I broke down. So, lucky on me. But if you want to see us chase more and, you know, help us keep going and longevity in this game of weather, not really a game, but it would just help me out, help the team out, and be able to do this longer, because, you know, my job doesn't really pay that well. But enough of me begging for money. Please subscribe, and I'll check you all for the next video, or next tracking, or or live stream. That was very bright. Wow. Yeah, there it is. Some deep thunder for you guys.